Marketers are now achieving astounding results with video content, far exceeding traditional methods. These videos can generate 10 times faster outcomes compared to other content types in today's market. Among various video styles, explainer videos stand out as the most effective for engaging viewers. Explainer videos are concise, effective, and grab your audience's attention instantly. Have you ever wondered how explainer videos can revolutionize your business strategy? These powerful tools simplify complex ideas, transforming them into clear and engaging stories. Each type of explainer video caters to unique purposes and target audiences. Choosing the right explainer video is essential for delivering your message effectively. Explainer videos excel at simplifying complicated topics that leave others feeling overwhelmed. Imagine converting intricate financial concepts into engaging visual stories. With a well-crafted explainer video, you can keep your audience captivated and informed. Explainer videos capture attention quickly, far surpassing dull text-heavy content. Consider a 90-second animated video for highlighting your e-commerce product's features. Such engaging visuals spark immediate interest and make lasting impressions on viewers. They build trust by showcasing transparency, like a healthcare company explaining its procedures. When done right, these videos boost audience engagement and drive traffic effectively. For example, a quirky SaaS explainer video can quickly go viral, capturing attention. Further, explainer videos lead your audience to take action, like signing up or purchasing. An online learning platform can convert viewers with a persuasive homepage explainer video. There are 14 types of explainer videos designed for specific needs and purposes. Animated explainer videos use creative visuals to keep things fun and engaging. Companies can showcase their products, processes, or concepts with 3D animated visuals. Explainer videos take personalization to the next level while being cost-effective. Traditional kinetic typography enhances key points through animated text and strong voiceovers. Screencast videos demonstrate products directly through screen recordings and voice narration. Live-action explainer videos create emotional connections by showcasing real people and scenarios. Whiteboard animations present complex information engagingly and interactively for better understanding. Stop-motion animations create a captivating visual experience through frame-by-frame movement. Company culture explainer videos highlight your organization's values and unique personality effectively. VR/360 videos provide immersive experiences, perfect for showcasing complex spaces like properties. With an infographic approach, data-driven points become visually attractive and easy to digest. Ready to craft your next explainer video? Let creativity guide your journey towards success.